What's up, guys? KO Gamer here. I got something to show you in a few minutes because I just opened it a few minutes ago. Let me just do that again. What's up, guys? KO Gamer here. We got another fidget spinner review that I got yesterday. Yay, Captain America. You know, pop this sucker out. Sponge. I don't even know why they gave me like this. But close this guy up. Okay, so I wanted just to show you and talk about this fidget spinner because you could hypnotize people with it. Look at the design of the star. Look at the design of the star. Focus on the star. And how shiny it is. Same thing on the back. Well, there's no front back. I got my other fidget spinners here. I'm not giving these away because this is just like, you know, few tricks. What am I doing? Put it on the other side. Then spin it. Looks sick, doesn't it? Awesome tricks you can do. I'm gonna pile them up. Oh, I wish I had my other fidget spinner, but I gave it away, so you know. At least somebody deserves it. I'm gonna just show you. This thing is so stable, you know. You know, just still spinning the top, you see? Still spinning, you know? Oh, I would have towered it and then it would be just awesome, but, you know, not doing any tricks on this one because I don't want to break, you know, it's like metal. First ever metal fidget spinner. Oh, crap. Okay, so guys, if you guys want me to do another video very soon, meaning like today or tomorrow, I'm going to do one because I'm free every day now, weekdays, 6 weeks, 1 month and a half. After 1 month and a half starts back to, you know, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, you know. So guys, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and peace out, guys!